Alright, just put some fuel on it. Got the car running here. Jump it because this battery's low. Pulled the carb apart, soak it in some diesel and Marvel Mystery Oil to loosen everything up. Did check that it had spark. It's had fuel sitting for 2 years. Just added a couple gallons, new fuel. Oh, baby. Runs like well, but it was in fact out of gas. There was a hole in the gas tank. I later found out. Paying a little respect to Matthew and Stacy from Toyota World Runners. Rest in peace. And thanks for inspiring the build. There we go. Got her plugged in. Vlogging. I'm vlogging. It's for the vlog.
Stop.
What?
I can't. Hold on.
Doesn't even know how to use a screwdriver.
I know how, it's just not working.
Oh, this is terrible.
Wait, can you restart it?
No.
Wait, I'm doing
You don't
it.
need to take it all the way off. You're just gonna loosen it.
I just said that.
There you go. No, I'm gonna take that hose off. You gotta pull it. This is the fresh tank. As you can see, there's a mouse poop.
What are you talking about?
Mouse poop. I wasn't even connected. Little breather hose. This is the drain. This is the fill. And another breather hose. Actually, what is this? Oh, maybe this is like city water? I don't know. Alright, attempt 2.
Oh,
You literally just, that's probably good actually, because it's already spinning. Now just pull it off. Yeah, there you go. Yay! Good job! So wait.
What?
Introduce yourself.
I don't want to.
Wait. Get out of here. Get out of my house.
Yes.
Whoa! What are you doing? Why would you record me? Slay!
Wait, sorry.
Go. You go. What are you doing, go? What are you doing? Put it sideways.
Please.
No, it's for these two.
Say please.
Ow! Don't worry about it. It's probably not gas. Has a hole in the gas tank, so here, you drop it. Well, again, didn't film a lot of it, but pretty much got the whole interior ripped out. Leaving the converter in here so I can still power stuff. Still have lights, somewhat. Trying to think what's next. Lay a new floor, kind of figure out what I want to do for my floor plan. there's this compartment. And there's that access from the outside. I can make into a compartment because probably have an electric fridge just to simplify things. But yeah, just gotta figure out the floor plan now. But yeah, right here I'll probably turn this into some sort of storage that I can access from the outside and inside maybe. This whole area was counter space, and I don't think I need that much counter space. There's this metal beam tie into the bed system I want to make, so this whole thing turns into a big bed instead of having the bed here. Now that I have the space torn apart, I can kind of see what it will look like, but I definitely want to use it a little better. And then I can start drawing and sketching and coming up with some ideas. So yeah. Hey guys, if you made it this far, thank you. Right now I'm just kind of figuring out what I want to do for the build, for the four-wheel drive swap, which is what I plan to do, is four-wheel drive swap it, make it an off-road, kind of an off-road vehicle. We're gonna do a new frame, new axles, different engine and transmission, all new driveline. So kind of have an idea here, and you'll see it in a lot of swaps and a lot of other builds. So pretty similar to a lot of other stuff, nothing crazy unique about it, just good old Toyota, reliable. So but yeah, just kind of figuring that out, what I want to do. Otherwise, I'm probably going to get the camper kind of built out and figure out what I want to do for that. Probably not going to explain it a whole lot. I'll probably just make a video about it. I probably will just keep the truck as is, get everything running good, make sure it's good to take out, probably take it out camping, because I'm going to have to save for some of these other upgrades. They're going to be pretty expensive and time consuming, and it's definitely going to be a project. So probably just get the camper built out, get everything running good. The bigger part of the project, the actual four-wheel drive swap, is probably going to be a little more time consuming. Do have to save money. Anyways, if you guys made it this far, thank you. And I do have some other stuff planned. I do have another rig. I do go camping in it. So if you made it this far, thank you. And be sure to stay posted. I am going to make some more videos. That's for sure. So if you made it to the end, leave a comment so I know. Thank you for everybody who's watching. I'm really just doing this for me, but I'm sure other people would enjoy seeing the build too. So thanks for watching. If you made it this far, drop a comment. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. You're so awesome. Thank you. Thank you. No one's gonna see this. I love you.